Feeling a little dirty again. All right, guys, so as I said, there it is, Dirty Max. Just doing what Dirty Max does. Just pop and check engine lights.
Aww.
But today, we're gonna change the thermostats. All right, so the thermostats on the LMM Druamax motor are actually in the front of the engine, and they're right behind your oil fill, which is kind of cool because it's pretty easily, like, you don't have to go dig too far back, let's say, if you would for like the fuel pump or the turbo, for example, where the entire intake has to come off. So cool stuff there, but you still have to move some things out of the way to include the bracket that holds the oil dipstick or the oil fill port up. So let's get that done. Okay, so I pulled out one of the bolts from the bracket mount, and what? It was not exactly this. These are half, by the way. All right, well, that little bracket's out for the fill port, and I guess a harness in the back. That was a surprise. All right. Now this is our thermostat cap right here behind your fill port. We're gonna have to, well, what we're gonna have to do. We can shed some light on this. Looks like we're gonna have to disco that bolt, this plug out, because it seems to be part of the, maybe not. All right, as you can see, I've got it lifted up. I'm gonna try to disconnect it from this back hose here. Had to take a bolt out, but it's out. I took this out to get some clearance. I may end up replacing it. I'm not quite sure yet, but for those, you know, looking to take this on, it does make a mess. Just give you a little zoom out. Yeah. So have a catch can. There it is. I got the housing out. And this guy, the Ford one, fell out a little bit, but it's fine. We're going to get this replaced. But this is what it looks like underneath. And so you have two thermostats. Sweet. I'm assuming that they both run at various temperatures. One opens up sooner than the other for colder and warmer temperatures. That's just my guess. I honestly don't know. I haven't read the manual on it. But this is what it looks like. Let's get them swapped out. So there that is, new thermostats in, and then we're going to reconnect the back of the housing in, put our bolts in, and reinstall our sensor, and then we'll got to get her all buttoned up. Well, I got it all back together. As you guys can see, the housing's been reinstalled, the switch is in. I wonder if that switch not replacing it's going to bite me. I hope it doesn't. Maybe the thermostats just weren't doing their thing, but anyway, everything's all buttoned up. As far as jobs go on the dirt, this one was one of the easier ones, and I'm pretty thankful for that because I was not wanting to spend a whole lot of time on the truck today. I've got some traveling coming up, but I'm glad I got it done. We're gonna top off our coolant and start her up and see where we're at. So we are running, and we've cleared the fault, and it has not come back. So it looks like we may have possibly fixed this thermostat issue by, you know, R-square and the thermostats. And they did look pretty old, to be honest, in the truck. But that's gonna do it for today's episode, guys. Remember, it's okay to suck. Just don't give up. Like, subscribe, keep coming back for more Robbie Sucks. And if you want to support the channel, hit up RobbieSucksStore.com, where we got some sweet merch and stickers. Until next time, guys, I love you. Peace.